In this video, I'll show you how to factory reset your Garmin Vivosmart 4. Very easy. This way you can start fresh, or maybe you want to resell it and you want the other person to have your personal information. Well, here is how it's done. So turn it on. You need to tap on it once to have this menu appearing, then go down and select the cog wheel, which is the settings menu. Then once you're over here, you're gonna swipe like this until you have this eye icon. Tap on it. Then you're gonna go down, down until you see reset. Then tap on reset. Now you have two different options: reset default settings, and then you have another one right under, which is delete data and reset settings. This is the one you need to select if you want to wipe out completely all the information. Tap on it. Then once you're over here, you're gonna tap the button, and then you're gonna have to tap this check mark on the top once, and the reset will start. Just let your watch sit, don't touch it, come back in about 2 minutes and it should be factory resetted. You see, just let it do its thing, it will shut down, and usually it only takes 30 seconds, but just to make sure, just wait about a minute, 2 minutes, and then you should have this screen over here. Hello, salut, many different way of saying hi. This simply means that your watch is now factory resetted and you can start pairing it with a new phone. Thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.